Hey guys, welcome to another video. Well, yeah, I do have socks in my hand, but that's because I don't have any socks on. But anyway, hey guys, welcome to a video. It's been a while. And today I'm going to be just unboxing some stuff that I got from the dark web. But anyway, you're wondering why I probably have these socks. It's because I don't have socks on because... Alright, basically I bought some shoes and I need to have socks on in order to try the shoes on. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing from stuff that I got from the TikTok shop, which is quite interesting. The only reason I bought stuff from the TikTok shop is because they told me I would get a £100 voucher. I did that and there was no voucher, so I was quite upset, but after a long discussion with the TikTok team, they managed to give me a voucher for £100 equivalent. So I don't know guys, to be fair, what I've learned in life is when people say that things are actually too good to be true, it is actually true. I mean, if something even seems the tiniest bit too good to be true, actually, you know what, fuck it. If things seem good, it's usually bullshit, right? We all know that. What the fuck are we talking about? This is the real world. Nothing is good, to be honest. The only thing that's good is like, I don't know, food and sex. Everything else is kind of low tier, right? You know what I mean? But anyway, got my socks on now, which is great. Because I did order some shoes. I have no idea if they're going to fit me. Anyway, let's just jump into it. Let me show you the first thing that I got, which I've already unboxed, so it kind of makes this whole video just like pointless. So, these are some headphones that I actually got from my local charity shop. So I bought some of these headphones here. These are the 6Ss here. They are actually very good. Battery life on these is about 3 hours, I would say. If you're playing really high, maybe 2. Like really loud, I'm talking about like really loud. I was very surprised about these 6Ss, so I picked these up from my local charity shop. I don't know how they got in there or why they were. Maybe they belong to a deceased woman. But I was very surprised how well these sounded. They had no high expectations of these for £5 from my local charity shop. Amazon pricing is £20 for these. So I didn't have high expectations at all. But when I put them on, they were actually really, really good. They're over the ear. I just wanted a quick pair that I could chuck on and not really worry about. That's why charity shop is great for things. You can just buy cheap things. But anyway, like I said, I was really surprised with these. They sound really good, really clear for what they are and the price that they are. I don't think... I think the reason that these need improving is maybe the battery life. But then on the other hand, maybe that's why they sent them. Maybe that's why they were there. Maybe these ones have a battery issue. I'm not sure. But all I know is they're not bad. The reason I bought these, which are other headphones, this was like my taster in like the last couple of years. So when I got these, I instantly wanted better battery life, slightly better quality and better comfort. So that drew me to instantly want to buy other headphones. These are still great for me, and they're really, really good for the price. For 20 quid, like, you know, if you're going to walk the dog, or if you're going to do something like that, and you want something to have really good sound, good bass, and they're not noise cancelling, but they're not bad. Like, anyway, that's not what the video is mostly about. Actually, to be fair, this video can be about anything, and I want it to be fair. So I got these. The Anker Soundcore Q30s. Really good. Let me just show you the box. So I have just tried these on for a bit and I have to admit they are actually really, really good. So this is the box that you get. So yeah, for Bluetooth and stuff like that, they're amazing. They come with like an equalizer, you have an app and everything that you can go through to tune it to exactly how you would like. It has noise cancelling. It has normal mode. And it also has transparent modes. It has little microphones on it basically, so it lets you hear your surroundings. So once the sound is up on them, you really can't hear anything. They're actually really good. So, but I will go through a couple of cons in a minute that are very transparent. Right. So yeah, they fit great. I think they look great. I'm pretty happy with them. Comfort-wise, you could wear these probably for hours. So they're like a dream on your head. They're fine. You know, they're really good. This is what they look like up close. I've got my face right now, which isn't helping. So yeah, this is what they look like. Very comfy, sound amazing, bass is amazing, noise cancelling is also amazing. But this is where the issue lies, is that when you plug it in via the 3.5 audio jack with your cable, you get a diminished sound. The sound is nowhere near as good as when you have in Bluetooth mode. So what I'm talking about is the sound itself sounds almost lower quality. The sound is dim, lack of bass, the treble isn't great. Even with that said, I have even tried to use an equalizer on my computer. I've equalized it to the point of perfection, and also, well, as perfect as I could get it. But yeah, the issue is with that, I've tuned it to where it needs to be tuned, but even in that scenario, there's still something going on. They're not getting the right data coming through the cable or something like that. There is a lack of something that's not enabling these to sound great when you're listening through 3.5 audio jack. So you won't be satisfied if you want these for editing, unfortunately. I know what you're thinking, oh, but maybe it's the cable. It's not. If you actually read up about these and you go through all the forums, a lot of people are saying the same thing about their wired connection not working properly. It's like, yeah, your music might be playing, but you're still not enjoying it anywhere near as much as you are from these when they're in Bluetooth mode. For as great as these are, that is a con. Is it worth £50? I think if you're someone who travels a lot, you're doing a lot of walking as well, or you're just chilling at home and you use Bluetooth more often than not via your phone or whatever it is, and you're not editing and you're not doing anything like that needs that latency, then you'll be fine. You'll really enjoy these. They're great, they're comfortable. I would say, compared to when I put on Dre Beats before, these feel really great. The quality's good, they feel quite hefty. I did see some videos of someone saying that they've had issues with this hinge here. Apparently it can crack, but it's only going to crack if you were to be like really rough with these. Like, they feel robust, but if you're the type of person who really doesn't give a shit about their items, and I don't know, maybe I'll do a second review when I've had them for a couple of months and let you know. But the first review of these are great. I would get them again. They're really good. I've got a big bag of stuff. Ooh, this looks cool. First thing I have bought.
Stupid goose top!
Goose.
Try it on!
Okay,
Wanker!
well, I'm not too sure about the fit. I think it's
Thumbs
okay.
down.
Goose fit, guys. You know what? I feel like a total fucking... The high pressure water shower thing. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've got this shower head, and apparently it's meant to be able to deal well with, what do you call it? High water pressure. How can I end that call? That's so annoying. Why am I being called? Fuck off. Okay, so this is apparently meant to solve my issues of having low water pressure in my home. So I'm going to try to stick this in the shower and see if it works. Pretty simple, I don't know if it does, but this is what I bought. It looks quite cool, look at it. Wow, it looks very cool. It has settings. No, it... Oh, it does! Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4... Wow, wait. It's got like sponges in there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Sponges, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little sponges in there. So yeah, it's got like, yeah, so this is weird. It's got like little sponges going here. It's transparent. It's got settings, which I don't know what they do yet. Plasticky material, feels very light. Current water pressure. Not great. But we'll try this new shower head.
So as you can tell, guys, the shower's laying out lots of power right now. Probably about 10 tons of a waterfall, perhaps. I don't know, but it's fucking...
I mean, not like any different to any other shower head, in all honesty.
I'll sum it up for you pretty quickly. Look, it's not bad. It's much better than what I had. It's not shit. It's okay. I also ordered some cool purple trousers. Yeah, don't ask.
What the fuck are these? I mean, these are what I ordered, but... Alright, let's try them on. Wow. They make my ass look amazing. I can't lie. These are sick, guys. These are sick. I don't even care if you can get them. I just wanted to show you, you know, to make you laugh or something. I don't know. Fuck. I don't even. Oh, for fuck's sake. I have a smartwatch, and I thought this was a smartwatch like case or like case and strap, but it turns out this is just a fucking strap for an Apple Watch that I don't have. Oh, actually, it's not a total loss, because I don't have one of these things that are actually in here. Look at this. This is actually quite sick.
Could you try again?
Siri, I'm not saying anything to you, mate. Fuck off.
I won't respond to that.
Okay, so this is actually a link extractor for a watch, and I'm always taking apart watches, and I'm always doing the links for them, and I've never actually owned a link extractor before. So this is the first time. So it's not bad. I didn't order it, but it's here, so I can't be upset. Easy. So that's sick. Next thing are these shoes. Okay, I have no idea what these shoes are going to be like, but apparently there's something to do with fashion. So if that isn't a hell of a branding name, I don't know what isn't. Let's have a look.
These are literally the best motherfucking shoes you will ever see. You'll never see any better shoes than these, because these are fashion. High fashion shoes. Yes, that's right. They even make me want to wink. Yeah, buy these shoes. And now they are actually amazing.
I just hope they're not too big. I did like 12 or something, 12.5, but I'm like a 12 or 11.5. Fuck, we'll have to give it a go. They feel incredibly light. I don't know if they would last long, but I mean, they're for fashion, so it doesn't really matter. They actually fit fine. They actually fit fine. Look at them. This is not free foot content, by the way, guys. You cannot reuse this. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. I will be making some more videos about sorts of things, who knows what. But I just thought I would share the bits and bobs from music, so I have a few things I wanted to show you. But anyway, guys, take it easy and peace out. But yeah, anyway, guys, take it easy and... But yeah, until another video. But yeah, guys, anyway. But yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will be making videos soon. Go subscribe, go check out my